Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Formulas menu. Let's begin. There are 4 sections. First section is Function Library. Second section is Defined Names. Third section is Formula Auditing. Fourth section is Calculation. Let's begin with first section. That is, Function Library. We can insert function. Under Auto Sum, we have sum, average, count numbers, max, min, and more functions. Under Recently Used, we have recently used functions. An insert function. Under Financial, we have financial functions. An insert function. Under Logical, we have logical functions. An insert function. Under Text, we have text functions. An insert function. Under Date and Time, we have date and time functions. An insert function. Under Lookup and Reference, we have lookup and reference functions. An insert function. Under Math and Trig, we have math and trigonometry functions. An insert function. Under More functions, we have statistical, engineering, cube, information, compatibility, and web functions. Next section is Defined Names. We can create, edit, delete and find all names used in Workbook using Name Manager. Under Define Name, we can define name and apply names. Under Use in Formula, we can use defined names and paste names. Also, we can automatically generate name from selected cells using Create from Selection option. Next section is Formula Auditing. We can trace precedence, trace dependence. Under Remove Arrows, we can remove arrows, remove precedent arrows, and remove dependent arrows. We can show formulas. Under Error Checking, options are Error Checking, Trace Error, and Circular References. We can evaluate formula and add cells to Watch Window List to keep an eye on their values as we update other parts of sheet. Next section is Calculation. Under Calculation Options, we have Automatic except for data tables, and Manual. We can calculate entire workbook now using Calculate Now option. And we can calculate active sheet using Calculate Sheet option. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.